Hello sir, I am Karan, Head of Service for Honda dealership. Please let me know if there's anything I can help you with.
Yes, I'm interested in buying the new Amaze. Just wanted to know more about Honda's service. How many times will I have to bring my car for servicing?
The all-new Honda Amaze needs servicing every 12 months or 10,000 kilometers, whichever is earlier.
What do you do in periodic maintenance?
In periodic maintenance, we cover complete checkup of your vehicle, parts and lubricant replacement, and car washing.
Wouldn't all of this cost me too much?
No, the Honda Amaze offers more pocket-friendly services and is best in class in its category for maintenance cost per service.
Are those parts genuine and of good quality?
Oh yes, only Honda genuine parts are designed specially for your Honda, which will offer good quality, durability and affordability. Honda offers best-in-class and longer service intervals for many consumables. Like the coolant does not need any replacement for 2 lakh kilometers or 10 years for petrol and 1 lakh kilometers or 5 years for diesel. The same goes for the fuel filter till 1,20,000 kilometers for a petrol engine. Well, that's not all. You only have to replace the clutch fluid and brake fluid once every 3 years. Fully synthetic Honda Genuine Oil is priced only at 401 rupees per litre. Honda also offers a maintenance package with HCMP and you get prepaid services at all Honda dealerships. The Honda maintenance package is quite reasonable and the average cost of service for your Amaze is Rs 3,500 per year for petrol and Rs 4,900 for diesel per year.
I've heard that car servicing can be very time consuming, which can be a problem for me as I travel to my office in my car.
Honda has a quick service program designed especially to save every minute of your precious time. Technicians at Honda dealerships compete at an international level to enhance the skills. Sir, above all this, the new Honda Amaze comes with a warranty of 3 years unlimited kilometers. Honda offers an option of best-in-class extended warranty. Sir, a recap of what we discussed. Service every 10,000 kilometers or 12 months, whichever is earlier. Longer replacement frequency for coolant, fuel filter, brake and clutch fluid. Cost of maintenance of only Rs 3,500 per year for petrol and Rs 4,900 per year for diesel. 3 years unlimited kilometers warranty. Option to extend warranty by another 2 years. Unlimited kilometers.
I'm really impressed by the details. I shall go ahead and book the Amaze today.
Get your car serviced at the Honda dealers at a nominal cost and experience the joy of owning and driving a Honda.